What's going on, guys? So yesterday I received a box from Amazon. It's a APR Performance GTC 200 wing, specified for RSX only. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you what's inside the box and then probably install it later. Sit tight. Let's start unwrapping this thing. This is basically what you're gonna get from the box from APR Performance. Not that box though, just this wing, carbon wing, and this box has the hardware inside, so it's basically packed pretty nice, so that it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. It's a GTC 200 for RSX. Okay, so let's start the unwrapping. This is what inside the box. The wing, the hardwares. This is for the stand. I believe this is for the stand as well. It's gonna go to your trunk. This one's going there under the spoiler. Some nuts and bolts and washers, sticker. Some of these advertisement booklets, brochures, warranty, some rods. These are rods and plates, and this is what you're gonna get from the box. Base plates, rubber gasket, adjustable rods, check, void, no, we don't have that, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. See how the looks so nice. This is where we're gonna screw the end plates. I'm gonna start putting the bolts in the stand, and I also ordered some risers for it. I'm gonna install it later in the car and I'll show you guys what's up. Alright guys, we got the riser here. It came from Amazon. Yesterday I was unable to install the wing in my car because I just lazy. Anyway, here's the wing. Here's the wing. Here's the riser. It's a 2.5 inch. We're basically just gonna bolt this on here. Not like this, yeah, like this, and we're gonna test fit it. Canon DC5. What's up, Kenneth? It's pretty much directly onto type bar wing or A-spec wing. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna install it. Alright, risers are installed.